Hello everybody, my name is Neely from Pixel Perfect Bloom. In this video I'm going to show you some basics that you need to know of Canva. I'm using the free version here, or you can get the 30-day trial period, or you can go for the pro version that is 110 Rand a month, but that is really affordable for everything you will get. But for the basics that I want to show you, I'm going to use the free version, and then I will also show you why it is better to get the pro version. When you sign up, you have verified your email and you get to the screen and it just looks so overwhelming. There's all these buttons, all these things going on, and you are just lost. You just don't know where to go. So I will try to stick to the basics, what you need to know. So when you get to this screen, you'll see all this kind of stuff, but yeah, that's really very overwhelming. So I will start with the basics, like what you're going to use is the custom size. If you click on this, you will see you have pixels, inches, millimeters or centimeters that you can design with. So in South Africa we don't use the inches, we use the millimeter or the centimeters. It's up to you what you prefer. I like to use the millimeters because you can be more exact. Sometimes I use the centimeters. I guess it's about how I feel that day. So just to do some basics, I'm just gonna do a 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Create new design. Then you will see you will go to this. So this block is there now 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. You will see it there. So you can, whatever size you want to design, you can put in there, and this is then your canvas that is that size. The three things that I'm going to show you that you're going to use the most is your elements, your text, and your uploads. Uploads means that you're going to upload some picture or photo or anything else that is on your computer that you want to use in your design. Your text give you a lot of options, some pre-made text here on the side that you can use. I'm going to go into that a little bit later. And then the big one is your elements. You will see the elements is the thing that you're going to use the most, because here you can search anything that you want. There is literally, it feels like millions of elements, and the more you use Canva, the more you will get creative with your searches, or you will see something. It will give you an idea of what to search for next. So for the sake of this video, that's the basics. I'm going to stick to the birthday, because a birthday is the most common event that you're going to use personalized wrappers. So that is easy, because if I've put in here birthday elements, then you see it's gonna show you a few things. There's some graphics, there's some photos, there's some frames that you can use, there's some videos, and there's audio as well. That I will do much later. For now, we're going to stick to the graphics. So I'm going to click on the graphics, and then you will see all this coming up. But now all this with a crown. You will see when you stop on it, it says Pro. So all this elements is only available when you have a Pro account. But if you just want to learn and just want to get to know Canva, there is quite a few that you can use. This is a very nice cake. Maybe if you make a wrapper for a mother's birthday, a friend or sister's birthday, this will look quite nice. And then you will see when you click on something, it will give you magic recommendations. And when you click on that, it will give you elements that is related to what you choose here. So now you can see here is a lot of free options. There is no pro elements with it. So when you want to resize this, you just click on it so that it gets this with this little arrow. Then you can drag it, and you will see it will show you the size. So now I'm just going to resize it, put it there, and now this one is coming up. Now the difference between these two is this one, that's quite nice, but you can't change any of the colors. This one, you will see this colors popping up here. So that means you can change this colors to match your design. So I'm going to show you now. If you want to change the colors, you just click on the color you want to change, and then you will see that it gives you this element, this lovely cake, all the colors that's inside of that one. So now you can change that color to match. Okay, the blue, say we do this. Okay, so that its colors would match that one. Just want to look, you can have some wording that you will get here. If it's got this button here, it means that you can change the color. So again, I can change the color so that it goes with my cake. Okay, so I've got a happy birthday. I've got some happy birthday. If you see that purple line in the middle, that means it's in the middle of this. So it's centered. If you go click on position, it will show you it is centered. If you put them and press the middle, it will go to the middle. But I want it there on the top, so I know that is centered. Now I'm going to look for something to add to it. You can even bring in a background. Let's see. This background, it's got a color, so you can change the color. Let's make it and then you can drag it there. Then again, there's handles, you can stretch it out. Okay. But now this element is in front. You can see it's in front of everything. But we want this at the back. So now you just make sure it's selected. Right click on it. Click on your layer. And then you say send to back. We want to send it right to the back. Okay, there it's to the back. And all this are in front now. So let's see what we can add to this. There is the pro elements coming up, you see. So if you want to use something, some of the Pro elements, you will see when you bring it in, it will come in, but you will have this watermark on it. So that's it, that you have to have the Pro version to use it. Okay, let's go back. Let's see what we want. Also, I don't want to make it too long, but you can play around. You can see what you want to put in, what you want to use. And the big thing that I tell everybody is, don't be afraid of Canva. Don't be afraid to click on something. If you don't like it, if you don't fit, this one is your big friend. You just undo and it's gone. I feel the only way that you will learn is to click on something. See if it will work, see if you like it. If you don't like it, just pop on the undo and it will be gone. So say this is a birthday card, and I've got the happy birthday doll, but I'm gonna get rid of that. And now I want to add some text here. We have a busy background, we have a happy birthday, we've got a cake. So now we're going to add some text. So then you just go click on the text. And here you've got different options. You can or scroll down here to see all the preset text that is here. If you bring it, if you click on it, okay, you don't want me to use. Oh, I saw now. Let's see something that's not Pro. Okay. Now you see it's in here, and that show you that you can change the color. So now we can change the color once again, and it said that this is grouped, so you just ungroup it. Okay, so let's say hope you enjoy your day. Okay, let's bring this one down. Hope you enjoy your day. Okay, but now we don't fit here, it don't fit there. If I will make it smaller here, it will go down. Okay, what we now can do, we can make the font smaller to fit in. I think I want it there. Okay. Love me. Okay. Gonna make it smaller so that it fit. Okay. What I can do now is I can go change this font. It's okay. I'm thinking of another font. I like this font. Make it a bit bigger. And this one, I can also go look for something else. You just scroll here on the left, and you will see all the different fonts that's available. Okay, let's say love from me. Gonna make that. You can put your name. Let me put my name in here. And now I can make this bigger. I can move this maybe a little bit. Or you can use your arrows on your keyboard. Okay, that purple line, you see that purple line? It says that it's in the middle of my canvas there. Okay, so, okay. We're happy with this. It's the front of our card. Maybe we can center that one more between. If I want to center this exactly between this and this, I can click on that one, hold in your shift key, click on that one and group it. Okay, but now we want this, we want to center this wording, yeah, but this is in front now, so it's only right click, layer, just send backward. We just want it backward, we don't want it all to the back. Okay, and there you can see it's in front now. So now you click on that you grouped, keep in your shift key, click on this one, leave your shift key, then you click on your right click, align elements. We don't want to center it, we want to in the middle. Okay, and you can see now it has centered it in the middle. This is now centered exactly between that two lines. So now everything looks better. That Y is coming. I will maybe move him a bit up. Okay. Okay, so now I'm happy with this. I have to go and download it because Canva don't have a printing option. You have to save your designs and bring it in another program that you can print from. Even Word will do the trick. I'm working on printing options to help you, but for now I help people that contact me and say, listen, how do I print? I've got this. So all the videos will come. Okay, so now we want to download it, and you will see all these options with a transparent background. Compress it is pro features, so you can only download this, but we don't have a problem because there's nothing that we want to remove the background from. And then when it's finished downloading, it will come here, you open it, and then you will save your design on your computer where you want to save it. So this is the basics that I want to teach you. Play around with it, play around with the elements, play around with the text, and the uploads I will show you in a next video. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know if I went too quickly with something, so that I can make better videos. So thank you. See you in the next video.